What is innovation? Innovation is making the inaccessible accessible to all. Introducing PocketDrum, the smart wireless drumstick that allows you to drum wherever, whenever. With Aeroband's built-in Bluetooth capability and extended battery life, you can make the streets your musical playground, freeing you from being tied down by big, bulky equipment. We've partnered with professional drummers to make sure the haptic perception is as realistic as possible. The PocketDrum has incredible velocity response and imperceptible latency. You will be amazed at how precise it feels. Best of all, you can connect your headphones for a truly silent experience, so you can play without disturbing others. Not only can you hear the beats, you can see them with synchronized LED lights and feel them from advanced haptic technology. With the intuitive Aeroband app, you have 3 different modes to learn, practice, and record your own music with. PocketDrum is perfect for beginners or professionals. Practice your skills while traveling the world with ease. The possibilities are endless. Experience the PocketDrum for yourself.
Imagine a day in your local park and getting a whole new perspective. From the palm of your hand, picture soaring to incredible heights above the waves and float out of a hot air balloon, sharing breathtaking memories.
This is microdrone.
Whether you fly microdrone in extreme conditions, like on a windy beach, or in delicate ones, like inside your home, with its precision control, flexibility, and durability, you can fly it anywhere, no matter your age or flying experience. MicroDrone 3.0 is designed with drone enthusiasts and excellent engineers from around the world. Components are easily expandable, upgradable, and replaceable. It's also the smallest drone to currently carry a mechanical gimbal. The HD camera streams live footage to your smartphone. The batteries slide in and out for quick hot swapping. And the plug-and-play smart modules simply snap on with magnets. Since everything either snaps or slides in, the structure is sleek, aerodynamic, and beautiful.
So now it's possible using 3D printer technology like the Ultimaker 2. You can print out your own custom frame similar to the Dragon or the Wasp.
Very few people could use first-person view drone technology even a year ago. I mean, the fact that the microdrone team is making this technology available is really a revolutionary idea.
This is Omnicharge, the world's first smart power bank, designed by best-in-field power management experts that can charge any device. Omnicharge is fully equipped with AC/DC charging capabilities, as well as 2 rapid charging USB ports, and is the only power bank on the market with universal charging. Smart, powerful, compact. It is the only power bank you will ever need. Omnicharge is designed for the modern professional's mobile lifestyle. With this power bank, any space can become a workspace, and being tied to the wall socket is a thing of the past. You'll be able to get work done wherever you need without running out of battery. Omnicharge can power even the most demanding laptops, and is small enough to fit inside your everyday bag. The Powerbank's compact size means that you can carry it with you everywhere and never worry about running out of power while you're on the go. You don't have to carry an extra charger. The battery's universal charging port means that it can be charged with any cable already around you. Omnicharge can power an incredibly wide range of devices, and its smart power management system means that it can recognize which device it's charging and adjust the optimal output. The world's first battery with a brain. All data is displayed in real time, from battery temperature to remaining charging time. With Omnicharge, your device will be charged in the shortest possible time, allowing you to focus on what's important. This smart power bank can even be charged with a solar panel, and its unique flow-through capability allows you to charge other devices while the battery itself is being charged, totally freeing you from the wall socket.
Hi, I'm Mike, and I like to get things done, which is why I think today's smartphones suck. They're designed to distract you for hours, they always die right when you need them, and when dropped from your kneecaps, they crack open like an egg. Society's gone soft, but your phone doesn't have to. Say hello to the Titan, the rugged smartphone for people who get shit done. And it's not just drop-proof, it's waterproof, dust-proof, and damn near bulletproof. And while other phones fizzle out in only a day, Titan's battery lasts for up to a week. But there's more to Titan than just its body.
That's right. Titan comes with a QWERTY keyboard, so you're able to get that tactile feeling you love with every push of a button. Plus, the keyboard integrates perfectly with the square Ultra HD screen. Titan also features 2 SIM cards, so you can have 2 separate numbers. One for business, please have Monday's report on my desk no later than 3, and one for pleasure. So, how soon can you get here? And what about security? Titan lets you choose. You can unlock it with your fingerprint or Face ID. It's the best of both worlds.
At first, it seems like a regular top. You give it a spin, and it spins. Then time passes. Minutes become more minutes. Someone comes in to ask a question. He notices that it's already been 2 minutes, and this top on your table hasn't stopped spinning. You tell him, that's limbo, and it's actually been 15. He calls a friend over. They wait. More people gather. You show them a trick it can do. You show them a few. Someone points to the design. You tell them it's made from high-grade metals. You show them a video of how it was made. A delivery guy says that it looks like that top from that movie. Everyone agrees. A few people finally ask how it works. Maybe you tell them, maybe you don't. Maybe a friend who already knows tells them that there's a battery-operated gyro inside and that the entire thing is rechargeable. A girl who knows her tech says, wow, that's pretty impressive. A few of them nod. Everyone continues to stare. You go out to a meeting, you come back, you type that spreadsheet you were working on all afternoon. People come in and out. Limbo keeps spinning. You go home. Only after 4 hours have passed, Limbo rests. Tomorrow, it will all